You know that feeling when it's late, you're tired, and you tell yourself, I'll start fresh tomorrow? Yeah, that's exactly why tomorrow never changes. Because your mornings don't decide your success. Your evenings do. And right now, your evenings probably look like this. You finish your day, grab your phone. Suddenly it's 2 hours later. You feel guilty. You didn't really relax. You didn't prepare. And now you go to sleep stressed. Then you wake up tired, behind, and the cycle repeats. So today, I'm going to show you the perfect evening routine for students. One that actually makes you feel in control, reduces stress, and sets you up to win the next day. And no, this isn't some unrealistic 3-hour routine with candles and journaling. This is simple, powerful, and it works. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Most people treat their evening like an escape, but the most successful students treat it like a setup. Step 1. The brain dump reset. Before you do anything, take 5 minutes and write down everything in your head. Homework, deadlines, random thoughts, stress, all of it. Writing it down clears mental clutter instantly. Now your brain can breathe. Step 2. The 20-minute power session. This is where most people quit, but this is where everything changes. Set a timer for just 20 minutes and do one small important task. Review notes, start an assignment, plan tomorrow's study. Why this works? You remove pressure, but you build momentum. And momentum is addictive. You go from I should do something to I already started. Step 3. Design your tomorrow. This is the cheat code. Before you sleep, decide exactly what you're doing first tomorrow. Not study. That's too vague. Say, tomorrow at 4 p.m., I'll study chapter 3 for 25 minutes. Now your brain doesn't have to think tomorrow. It just follows instructions. Less thinking equals more doing. Step 4. Protect your energy. Let's be real. Your night probably ends with your phone 10 centimeters from your face, scrolling, watching, consuming, and then you wonder why you can't sleep or focus the next day. So here's the rule. No intense stimulation 30 minutes before bed. No endless scrolling. No chaotic content. Instead, lower the noise, dim the lights, slow down. Maybe read something light or just sit for a minute. You're not being boring. You're training your brain to shut off. Step 5. The identity shift. Right before you sleep, tell yourself one simple thing. I'm someone who has control over my time. It sounds small, but this changes everything. Because your actions follow your identity, and if you start seeing yourself as someone disciplined, you start acting like it. So let's recap. The perfect evening routine isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things. You clear your mind with a brain dump. Build momentum with a short study session. Plan tomorrow with clarity. Reduce stimulation before bed. Reinforce your identity. That's it. If you do this consistently, your days will feel easier, your stress will drop, and your productivity will finally feel natural. If you like this video, hit subscribe and join the free newsletter. Thanks for watching.